Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. I'm going to show you guys how I like to get my washing machine going. So right now it's empty. I'm going to add in my detergent. I use these Tide Free and Gentle pods. Just toss in one pod here at the bottom. And then I have a basket full of laundry. So I'm going to add this in. I'll spare you the details. Okay, now if I was using liquid fabric softener, I would put it here in the middle, but I am not. I'm using these Down Tea Light Cherry Blossom beads. I like that they have light scent. This is what they look like, and I just sprinkle them around. They've actually been working very well. Alright, I have the water level set to auto, cold. I'm going to change it from delicates to quick wash. I like the extra spin. And I'm just going to go ahead and start it. If you guys found this video helpful, be sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Bye.